iQOO launched iQOO 5 series that are the successor of iQOO 3. iQOO launch iQOO 5, iQOO 5 Pro and iQOO 5 Pro BMW edition, car charger and gaming equipment. Let's start with unboxing. The box content of iQOO 5 Pro is a device, charger, paperwork, SIM ejector tool and case. In terms of design, iQOO 5 Pro have a curved display and punch hole at front side while triple rear camera setup and branding on the back. Both iQOO 5 and iQOO 5 Pro have 6.56 inches with the resolution of 2376 1080 and a left side punch hole display. Both use Samsung AMOLED display, but iQOO 5 use straight screen while iQOO 5 Pro use curved display. Both phones have 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz sampling refresh rate, 800 nit peak and local peak 1300 nit. iQOO 5 have dual speakers, CS43131 audio chip, Type-C analog output, Z-axis linear motor same as in iQOO 5 Pro, but it have X-axis linear motor. iQOO 5 series have Snapdragon 865 SoC, LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1. Both have same camera setup that are triple rear cameras. iQOO 5 have 50 megapixel Samsung GN1 sensor main camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide angle plus 13 megapixel telephoto that support 2x zoom, while front it have 16 megapixel. iQOO 5 Pro have 50 megapixel Samsung GN1 main camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 8 megapixel telephoto that support 5x optical zoom. iQOO 5 Pro have OIS+EIS and it have
16 megapixel front camera. iQOO 5 Pro able to record 8K video.
iQOO 5 have 4500 mAh battery with 55W fast charge, while iQOO 5 Pro have 4000 battery, dual cell, with 120W SuperFlash charger that charge 100% in 15 minutes. Both devices have dual mode 7 band 5G, N41, N77, N78, N79, N1, N3, N28. iQOO 5 body size 160.4 75.68.32 mm and weight is 197 grams, while iQOO 5 Black Track version body size is 159.56 73.38.9 mm and weight is 198 grams, while White Legend Edition body size is 159.56 73.39.53 mm and weight is 196.7 grams. The price of iQOO 5, 8GB and 128GB price is 3,998 Chinese yuan. 12GB and 128GB price is 4,298 Chinese yuan. 12GB and 256GB price is 4,598 Chinese yuan. iQOO 5 Pro, 8GB and 256GB price 4,998 Chinese yuan. 12GB and 256GB price 5,498 Chinese yuan. This is for today guys, see you in next one. This is Yash and you watching the YR.